Okay, I love y'all, so I'll keep it a stack. Today we're lifting the veil on a topic that's been shrouded in mystery for too long, the truth about bank credits. We're talking about the seemingly benign tools banks use that often mask an oppressive reality. From hidden charges to high interest rates, it's a world that's far more complex than meets the eye. So are you ready to uncover the truth? So what's the real story behind bank credits? Let's dive in. Take this case study for instance. Jane, a hardworking woman, decided to take a credit card from her bank. Little did she know she was stepping into a world of hidden fees, an undisclosed maze of charges. It started with a small annual fee, then maintenance charges, then transaction fees. All cloaked in a veil of fine print. The bank's transparency seemed to fade away with each passing bill. Jane found herself in a financial pitfall, all because of the hidden charges she didn't sign up for. It was a fucking trap. Then there's John, a small business owner who took a loan from his bank. Not unlike many others, he was lured by the promise of easy capital. But over time, John found himself ensnared in a web of sky-high interest rates. Each payment seemed like a drop in the ocean, barely making a dent in the principal amount. The bank, it seemed, had a stranglehold on his business, squeezing tighter with every passing month. John's dream business was on the brink of collapse, thanks to the bank's oppressive interest rates. These are not isolated cases. They happen more often than you think. We've unmasked the truth about bank credits, exposed the hidden charges, and revealed the trap of high interest rates. Banks, it seems, are using credit as a sinister tool, exploiting customers at every turn. So, before you sign up for that credit card or loan, think twice. Be more cautious with bank credits. It's your hard-earned money, make sure it's in safe hands.